Hi, I'm Rebecca Lawson. We recently published the security point of view that follows. I hope you find it valuable. We believe that when network and security services share a common architecture, everything works better. Our customers can move forward faster. And in fact, Juniper just announced yet another leap forward with SRX, significant performance improvements with super low latency, as well as new Layer 7 services in our virtual firewall, vSRX. Enjoy. At Juniper, we're in the networking business. We move packets, and when you're moving packets, two things matter. They need to move fast, and they need to be secure. Now, in security, it's about time. Time really matters a lot because the velocity, the volume, and the impact of threats continues to grow. Now, there are three time-related elements of network security that are going to help you reduce your risks across the board and improve the agility of your organization. Let's talk about those three. First, there's equipment. You have to have fast network security equipment so that you don't slow down traffic, so that you don't affect quality of service. Now, Juniper knows a lot about performance. We were the first company to ship a 100 gig interface. And now we're pushing the boundary on 1 terabit of throughput. With custom-built ASICs and services offload technology, this also translates into super low latency. Now, when it comes to downtime, third-party testing shows that we clock in at an incredible 20 seconds per year. Another way of saying this, it's over 6 nines of availability per year. Performance, reliability, it's all in the equipment. Now, second, threat response time. When there's a threat like a newly identified piece of malware, when it hits the scene and becomes known by security researchers, you want that one important piece of threat data to get to your enforcement points quickly. Now, think time. We can do this in less than 60 seconds. So literally, the minute a threat is identified, it can be associated with the right policy at the right firewall, or at every firewall across your enterprise. That's fast, and we're the only one doing it. Third, today it takes time to grow and to scale or to make a change to your network. Using automation from Juniper drastically reduces the time it takes to do things like update policies. We can take that tedious task from hours to minutes. Or the time it takes to respond to an incident right now can take weeks. In fact, it usually does. With automation, you can bring it down to minutes. Or the time it takes to provision network and security services for a new app, it can take months. We bring that down to minutes. All this time savings translates into pretty substantial operational efficiencies. In other words, money. Time is money. So in security, time is the key. It's the most important element for reducing risk because when bad actors have you in their sights, or even when an unfortunate error occurs that can lead to a breach, you want time on your side. Fast equipment like the SRX, fast threat response based on Spotlight Secure Threat Intelligence Platform, and fast automation across security routers and switches. So that brings us back to the top where we started this conversation. Networks are about moving packets. They need to be fast, and they have to be secure at the same time. You really can't separate the two. And that's why Juniper is in the security business. Juniper, networking, security, it's all about time.